What if I told you beginners are making money with AI today, without coding or expensive setups? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you simple AI methods beginners are using right now to make money online fast. AI is changing everything. Businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs are paying people who know how to use these tools effectively. Most people still don't understand AI yet. That means the people learning these tools now are early. All you really need is internet, a phone or laptop, and the willingness to take action. One of the easiest ways beginners are making money is creating content for businesses using AI. Tools like ChatGPT can create captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, and marketing content in seconds. Go on Instagram and search for local businesses with weak content or low engagement. Send them a message offering a free sample. Most people never even take this step. One client can completely change your confidence online.
Yes, my first payment. This changes everything. I'm so ready.
YouTubers constantly need thumbnails that get clicks. You can use Canva and AI image tools to create thumbnails quickly. Find small creators with bad thumbnails and offer them a redesign. Better thumbnails usually mean more views, and more views mean more money. Businesses always need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and website content. An AI writing assistant can generate professional business content automatically, saving you time and effort. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses. Businesses pay for convenience. If AI helps you save them time, you become valuable.
Great to connect. I'm excited to discuss the project.
Perfect. Let's align on the details.
TikTok and YouTube Shorts creators constantly need viral content ideas.
AI can generate hooks, captions, scripts, and content ideas almost instantly. Most people still aren't using AI properly. That's your advantage. Most beginners spend too much time learning and not enough time taking action. That first online payment changes your mindset forever.
Yes, it's happening! I can't believe it. This changes everything.
Most successful people online weren't smarter, they were just more consistent. Your challenge today: pick one AI service, create one sample, and message 20 people. Don't wait until you feel ready. Nobody feels ready in the beginning. AI is only getting bigger. Businesses will continue paying people who understand these tools. This isn't magic money overnight, but AI can help you move faster than ever before. A year from now, you'll either be thankful you started today or wish you had. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment AI money below. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Fast Money Marion, out.